back in action. We're back in the action, boys. So I'm coming at y'all once again with another mystery unboxing that I try to do at least twice a month. You guys seem to really dig it. They get lots of views. They get lots of thumbs up. Please thumbs up right now if you guys do dig them. Let me know down below. These videos are a little shorter because what I have in this box was only $50. So hopefully there's like quite a bit of stuff in it. It's not a short video, but it's probably going to be pretty short because you can't get a lot for $50 nowadays. I went to the street corner the other day and wow, they upped their prices. Anyway, man, getting into it, I've been requested so much over the past year to do a YNW Melly video. Now you guys might know him as a rapper who committed murder, possibly. I don't think he's been through trial yet. So I got a $50 mystery box. He hit up my dude on eBay that does a lot of rapper mystery boxes, and I was like, hey man, can you make me a YNW Melly mystery box and try to make it like $50? Something affordable for people if they wanted to buy it. I mean, if he does put them out, I might put a link down below because, you know, just for you guys, but he's also not paying me. We have kind of a feud on that. He's like, bro, why don't you shout me out? And I'm like, bro, you don't pay me at all. I pay you for this. And most of the time, I don't know if I got my money's worth. So that's where we're at right now. Anyway, we got the mystery box. Short video once again, maybe. Hopefully not. We're trying to get that 10-minute ad revenue. But yeah, here's our Melly $50 mystery box. Let's see what we get in it. So, I'm just skipping the intro, man. I'm actually really stoked for this because it felt heavy. It feels kind of heavy, and I see why now because it looks like we have quite a bit of clothing in here. Once again, man, if he does put these out, I may put a link, I may not. First off, we have 2 boxes. We'll get into those. This guy knows me. He knows the channel. He knows that we do like jewelry unboxing, so I think what this is probably jewelry. And we'll get into what I got for $50 for this mystery box. I'm gonna give you guys prices as well of what I think. Okay, so this is exactly what I thought. He sent me stuff like this before. First thing we got is gold teeth. If you guys know Melly, the dude's always got some gold grills in, so this is straight so far. Honestly, you can buy these online for probably 10 bucks, something like that. You can get them free at some places, but with a case like this, I feel like it's probably about 10 bucks. Has to do with Melly, I guess. It's dumb. Don't wear those, please, ever. Don't ever wear these, actually. It's just not a good look, you know what I mean? Damn, do we ever have stuff in here, actually. Holy hell. Okay, sorry, I didn't look at anything. We just have, like, we have pieces of clothing in here. Like, not just one, which is insane. Next up in this box, okay, once again. So this dude does his research with these mystery unboxings. I really gotta team up with him. The next thing we got is obviously a gold chain. One thing I know about Melly, this dude's always wearing gold. I don't know if I usually see him with actual studded out gold like this. I'll bust down his stuff. I think usually what he wears is just regular gold. I don't know how much this one would cost. I'd say we're gonna chalk it up to 15 bucks. Maybe 10 bucks. So we're $20 in right now. Sorry I'm going fast with that stuff. I just already kind of knew what that would probably be. Now I'm wondering what all this clothing is, man. Getting into the clothing, which I'm really into. As you guys know, I don't wear this crap that I get here, but if it comes in a mystery box or stuff like that, that's cool. Next up, I hope this isn't just a black... It's just a straight up black. Oh, no, never mind. God, I was so pissed for a second. My God. Oh, whoa. This is merch I would wear, man. I'm not gonna lie. Every rapper with merch, whatever they put out is garbage. This is cool, man. We have YNW Melly right there with a crazy little face, which is cool. And then girls look at that and all of a sudden they're gonna listen to you a little bit more. It's like, this guy's got tattoos. This guy's got a crazy face on him. I better listen to him or I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm not gonna go any farther. That's a joke. Anyway. This is crazy, actually. I would actually 100% wear this. Generally, a lot of the stuff I get clothing-wise, I wouldn't wear, but this is dope. I don't know. I'd say he could probably get this in bulk for like 10 bucks or something like that, but I'd say this is like a $30 piece right here at least. A lot of people charge 30 bucks for their t-shirts. So we might even chalk this up as 40, which means we're already past the thing right now. We're already past $50. I think we got a couple more pieces in here though, bro. Nope, last thing. Damn it, this isn't gonna be a 10-minute video. Next up, it looks like, yeah, so we got another hoodie. This is the last thing in this little short unboxing mystery box. And, oh damn, this one's kind of cool. It's got YNW Melly with an awful graphic. I don't know what's going, like, are you peeling something? Are you peeling an orange? It's hands together, and I don't know what that means. I don't think I'd wear this. Yeah, y'all tell me what the hell that is. What in the fuck? Anyway, man, that's it. Quick video. My attention span sucks. I feel like a flippin' toddler with my attention span today, so I just hope you guys are the same. Quick video, YNW Melly, 2 hoodies, 2 pieces of garbage right here that I just don't need. Appreciate y'all for watching. Also, we got our money's worth, which is dope, because if I don't give this away, I'm just gonna probably, well, I'm keeping that hoodie. I'll probably just sell the rest of this stuff, and I might actually make bank off this motherfucker on eBay, so that's dope. I think this is cool. Anyway, there we go. That's what we have today. Sometimes the quick videos are good. Appreciate y'all for watching Merc of the Game, the greatest of all time. That's what we got from a $50 NBA Youngboy mystery box. What do you guys think of them down below, by the way? Leave your favorite song. I haven't actually looked into them too much, but from what I've heard, it's good. I think I could get into it more, but I don't really know how to go about that. So if you guys actually have some songs that I should search up, I actually will. I'll be reading the comments and probably replying and stuff like that. So let me know. Also give a thumbs up if you just like these quick mystery unboxing videos. This one was cool, I guess. 2 hoodies and 2 chains and a teeth, or 1 chain and a tooth. It's weird to say. Appreciate y'all for watching Merc of the Game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. There's your YNW Melly video. Finally, blah.